Hi everybody, Justin Caldwell here with Caldwell Outdoor Equipment on Main Street in DeSoto. I wanted to tell you about a really great sale we've got going on right now for the Hustler Spring Sales event at Caldwell Equipment. We've got lots and lots of models discounted hundreds of dollars. And I want to show you one model in particular that has a $750 discount and actually is out of stock at most dealerships, but we've got them in stock and we've got extra discounts. I want to show you this machine. So here it is, the FasTrak SDX with a 60-inch deck. This machine is a fully commercial model. It has ZT 3400 transaxles, 10 mile per hour ground speed, has the FX series Kawasaki engine, and this mower is great for large residential properties or commercial use. It does have a suspension seat with the high back on it. Like I said, this model is actually out of stock in most dealerships, but we do have them, and has the extra $750 off right now. So I'll zoom in on the price tag here and let you know how this works. In the top tier pricing here, this is if you want to pay on 0% for 48 months. The middle price here is if you want to pay with a credit or debit card, or if you want to do an 8.99% for 72 months, get you a really low payment. You can also do this option, which is the cash option, and cash is cashier's check, or we can do a 0% for 6-month loan and still honor the cash price. So some people will do that even if they have the cash. Now you also get to take the extra $750 off of any one of these tiers that you choose. So you're actually going to be $750 off of this $93.49 for your cash price. So that's how these discounts work. But I'll let you know, we do have very limited supply in that FasTrak SDX. If you want to look us up on our website, we're at caldwellequipment.com. You can call us or text us at 636-586-9607. And if you want to text us, we'll answer you any of your questions right there on the main company line. But we look forward to the opportunity and see you soon.